Okay. All right, I'm going to use, right now I'm going to use a pineapple. This is the pineapple. Right now I'm going to use, this is a coconut cream. All right, I'm going to use off and off. Okay. And right now I'm going to use some nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla. Okay. And here is my ice. Okay. But I'm gonna use the Pina Colada cream right now, but it's coconut cream. It's cream of coconut. All right. So right now I'm gonna throw. This is my pineapple. All right, guys. I'm not going to use all of it. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my cream. Okay. Guys, if you want to use 2 cans of this cream, you can go ahead and use 2 cans. All right. Today I'm only using 1 can. Use your hand. My hand is clean. Put your hands. Okay. The ice is very important, guys. Okay. Very, very important. The ice is. Okay. All right, guys. Then you're gonna put a pinch of vanilla, guys. I am so excited. I can't wait to taste this because this is my favorite. That's like a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. I'm gonna put like a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay. So that's like a half a teaspoon. And you're gonna put a little salt for the taste. Okay, you know salt make everything taste better. Right? Just a little pinch of salt. I'm gonna put my off and off. You don't have to put off and off if you don't want to, but the off and off make it taste creamy and look creamy. So I absolutely love, love, love the off and off in it. Alright guys, so now we're gonna blend. My goodness sake. Look at this. Here it is, guys. That is my pina colada, guys. Then I'm gonna put like a pinch of nutmeg over it, guys. Just a pinch of nutmeg, guys, all over it. So guys, this is it. Guys, this is it. That was very, very easy. That was pretty easy. All right. So now we're gonna do taste test. Okay. This, guys, tastes amazing. This is absolutely amazing, and this is my favorite drink. Guys, I absolutely love this. I'm loving this, guys. Woo. Guys, you can make this. You're home and you want something nice. This is it. All right, guys. So basically, as I told you, this is the cream, the coconut cream. All right, the pina colada coconut cream, and this is the pineapple that I use, and this is the off and off, a pinch of salt, some vanilla. All right, and nutmeg, simple, and some ice. Okay guys, if you like this video, guys, share, give it a thumbs up. Okay, and if you want me to make anything special, let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you.